We are back on our Linux environment. Let's see the database diagram that depicts our target. We have already created the table customers with ID, name, and identity. Identity is so unique. We have created a unique index on that, so we can search quickly customers by identity and also make sure that we don't insert duplicate customers into the table. And now we're going to create the table products. This table is going to hold our product catalog. It's going to have each product is going to have a name and a price besides the ID, which is going to be auto incremented. We are not going to allow two products to have the same name, so we're going to create a unique index on name. This will allow us also to search products by name. We're going to give a price for the product, for each product, and this will give us the chance to learn the new MySQL data type, which is suitable for holding data that represent money. Let's start. We close this diagram and we go to Applications, Accessories, Terminal. We maximize that and we start MySQL client, MySQL-u root. We're going to connect with root user. There's no need to input -p in order to give password because root user doesn't have any password on our MySQL installation. The first thing that we have to do is to switch to the database that we work for these MySQL classes. The database is customers_db, so we type in use customers_db semicolon, and as we can see, database changed. We are now at customers_db. Let's see the tables. Show tables will list us the tables that this database has. It has only the table customers. Now, as I have told you, we need to create the table products. The product, we create the table products with the command create table. We give the name of the table products. Then in parentheses, we give the specifications of the columns that this table is going to have. One column is ID, which is going to be an integer with a maximum length 11. Which has to be always there, so we put here not null, and which is going to be automatically incremented by MySQL. And this is going also to be our primary key, so we type in primary key ID. But before primary key, we also type in the specifications of two more columns. The name of the product, which is going to be a varchar, a string. Let's give a maximum length 255. This needs to be there too, so we put not null specification. And another column which is price, which is going to be a numeric with 15 digits long and 2 decimal digits, and this is going to hold the price of the product. Let's say that this one is not going to be null as well. So this is the whole specification of our products table. The ID, which is going to be auto-incremented and not null. The name, which is going to be a string, not null. And the price, which is going to be, let's say, a decimal, a real number that represents money, is going to be not null. And the primary key of the table is going to be the ID. We hit on the enter key, the return key. We see here query OK. If we type in show tables, we're going to see that we have one more table in our database, in our customers_db database. Let's see the structure of this new table. Show, create table, products. You can see that this table has 3 columns, ID, name, and price, exactly as we have specified them while we created the table. Now, we need to make sure that no two products have the same name, and we also need to make sure that we can search products by name, and the search is going to be quick. That's why we need the help of a unique index on the name. Remember how we create the unique indexes. Let's clear our terminal, Control L. And let's see again, show create table product, the structure of the table products, and we create the index with create unique index. The name of the index, we say products underscore name UIDX. This is a convention. We can name the index with whatever name we want, but we usually use a convention like that, which is the table name, the name of the column, and underscore UIDX or IDX, depending on whether the index is unique or not. Then we give on the name of the table we want to create the index on, and then the name of the column that is going to be uniquely indexed. Create unique index then, and we have query OK. If we see the structure, show create table products, the structure of the table, products again, we're going to see that there is a unique key on the product's name, and this will help us create unique products. Can we insert some products so to start working with data? In order to start working with data, let's see that. Insert into products. Let's give the names of the columns that we want to insert values for. So we're going to insert values for name and price. Let's say that the first product is Game of Thrones Season 1 DVD, let's say. And let's say that the price is, for instance, 50.0 euro. So we give the new row that we want to insert in a statement like this: insert into products. Query OK. If we select star from products, we're going to see that we have one product with name Game of Thrones S1 DVD, price 50 euro. That we want to insert one more product. Insert into products, name, price, values of mice and men. Let's say that this one cost 19.80, semicolon. Now we have select all from products. Now we have two products in our table. Say that we have one more product to insert. Insert into products, name, price, values, and nice story. Let's say that this one costs 5, and sorry, I mistyped insert products. So we have query OK. Let's see the products again. Select star from products. We have 3 products in our product catalog. Let's clear our terminal with Control L. Repeat the last command. Select star from products. There we are. Suppose we have a very long product catalog and we want to find out how many products we have inside this table. The statement is select count star from products. This is going to return us one column, which will be the count, the number of rows that exist inside the table products. And what if we want to find the products that have a price which is greater than 10? Then we can do select count from products where price greater than 10. This is going to bring the number count 2, because we have 2 products whose price is greater than 10. To sort the product catalog by name, then we can do that. Select all from products, order by name. This is the command. It is an order by clause which we add at the end of the select statement, and if we hit that, we will see that we get first the product with ID 3, which has a name which starts from A, and then we get the other products. Or if we want to sort by price, then we get the cheapest product first and the more expensive product at the end. Let's clear our terminal. Let's see our products again. What if we want to order the products by price but get the more expensive product at the top? We need to sort our products, order our products by price, but we need to specify the word desk at the end. It's going to sort in descending order. So we get here name, Game of Thrones 50, of Mice and Men 90.80, and iStory 5. Sometimes we want to get only the first row that matches our select query, even if more rows match the criteria. So we want to limit the number of records that are returned. We can do that with the word limit at the end of the select statement. So select all from products, for example, order by price desk, limit 1 is going to bring the most expensive product in our catalog, and the cheapest one is going to be select star from products, order by price, limit 1. This is going to bring the cheapest product in our product catalog. We have learned the limit and we have learned the order by. These can be combined with the workloads. So for example, let's see our customers. Let's select all from customers where name, like we know that the name ends in double O, but we want only to get the first of these customers. So we get, for example, John, who if we limit the result to 1.